All right, guys, welcome back. Got a special guest fishing with me today. It is Paul from
What's going on?
Cincy Fish Dudes. You guys know his channel, and if you don't, I will have it linked below. Awesome content, great local fisherman. We met each other through just watching each other's videos and content on Facebook and YouTube, and decided to finally meet up and let's go fishing and catch something today.
Yeah, it's a hot one, so hopefully we can get some. I'm taking Matt to some of my local ponds and creeks and stuff like that, and we'll see what we can get.
Temp's about 90 degrees. We got a little bit of humidity, so we're probably real feeling about 92, 93, 94, right around there. So yeah,
I'm feeling about 105.
Yeah, it is roasty toasty. So we're gonna be hitting some shade and cover, and if this doesn't work, we'll be hitting the creek spot later.
Yeah,
and,
we should be okay in there.
Let's get to fishing. All right, guys, I know it's in the middle of the day, but it's just irresistible. I've yet to have a good day on this. I've yet to have a bite. No, I've had bites on this. I've yet to catch a fish on the Lunker Hunt Spider. So I know it's about 4:30 and it is hot as blazes. If we catch something, we will be shined upon indeed.
And I'll call you Spider-Man forever.
Well, it being as hot as it is, probably only show you a couple casts there. It is hot and the water's been a little bit stagnant, so we are now moving to where we know the bite's most definitely going to be on in a creek, a little shaded cover spot. So we're going to call it a day here from this pond spot. Definitely come back here with Paul one day, and when it's a little bit cooler, maybe in the fall or on a cooler summer evening, something like that would be awesome. Or maybe come out and carp or catfish.
This is like my little practice pond where I try out new lures and stuff. And yeah, it was a little disappointing today, but like you said, it's hot.
You know, I haven't carp fished in a while, and we've seen lots of carp here. It would be fun to come out and do a carp video here. That would be
perfect idea.
That'd be pretty awesome. We'll see you guys at the creek.
All right, Matt and I gave up at the little retention pond. It's too hot and stagnant, so we're hiking, I don't know, a couple hundred yards down this creek to the abandoned creek, favorite of mine, but I'm going to pick up in a spot that I haven't fished yet before. And hopefully the bite is just as good as where I left off, if I don't die here. Yeah, this is a different creek than we came in on. There you go. River
Treasure number 1 and 2.
There's some creek chubs in that. This is a different creek than I came in. I think we came in on the other one, so I don't know how that is. What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, it looks like it goes down.
Waterfall.
This could be a step stool for us. I don't know.
I don't know if that's Google Maps. I think we just keep going this way. Oh, there's a trail here. Watch out, one stick, man, we can roll.
That's fact.
Nice shot. It looks pretty clear today.
Yeah. Oh, it did let us out of the juicy spot, didn't it?
Absolutely. Look at this. I'm going to tie on smallmouth lures.
All right. Oh, this is perfect for Mr. Cicada. There we go. First fish. Looks like a long-eared sunny, maybe a green sunfish. A little greeny. Whoa, concussion. Ice. All right, we broke the ice. Now it's time to start cranking. Little shiner. Yeah, hopefully this little waterfall drops into a pool. We are right now in about 3 or 4 inches of water. It's a nice big rock shelf. So we're bound to have some sort of depression down here soon enough. There we go. The tiniest of guys. Little baby green sunfish. Eating that little cicada bug. Oh, my apologies, sir. Gotta be something on that tree. Nice. On.
Green sunny. Ooh. Long ear?
Nice.
Pumpkin
Almost
seed.
like a hybrid almost.
It does, because the ear is like fat.
Yeah, it's got the colors of a long ear, but it kind of, I would call that a green sunfish.
Green
Yeah,
sunfish?
because of the mouth size, yeah. It might be a hybrid though. Right here in front of me. He chased that all the way from that side. I kept missing him and kept missing him.
Got a little chartreuse crawl on there.
This is still that cicada bug.
Oh, it's cicada? Okay.
Little green sunny. Oh, look at his eyeball. That is wild looking. Paul has another one.
Huge.
On the white
Hold it next to
grub.
the
Man,
camera
we
so
are firing it up today. I'm telling you.
It's like 2 pounds.
Together we might have 6 ounces. On? I saw that strike.
That's a pretty one.
There's a long ear.
That's a long ear.
There we go. Is that a smallie?
That was actually another
No, it's a big fat green sunfish. Planted this nice rock wall here, man. This place is so picturesque. We haven't run into a bass yet. So we're heading up to the train tracks up here.
Yeah, that's all we need.
Let this guy go. Is that chub?
Nice.
Shiner.
Shiner?
Yeah. Ooh,
That's a
little panty.
Woo!
Nice.
Green sun. A skinny one.
He is a skinny one.
Yeah.
Little bluegill, another species. I think number 4 on the day.
Okay, we got a bluegill, green sunfish, long ear sunfish,
Shiner.
shiner, and
Did you
then
get a chub?
hybrid.
Oh, that hybrid, yeah. 5 species on the day so far. Toss that again. I saw something dart right when you first tossed that in. He like went up onto that rock ledge. Yeah. Nice. Is that a smallie? Yes!
Yes!
We've done it!
That was smallie.
Yes! This is
Man,
the
you
species we've
spotted
been...
that with your eye.
Yeah. That first cast you took, I was like, something darted at it, and it was a decent size. Threw back in, and he just whomped it.
That's right. Hey, buddy, look at you go. You can give me a second.
Feisty.
That's our smallies. Nice. Woo! Smallie.
Wow. All right.
Nice jump.
Now we're doing big things.
Yeah. It's on a tiny little white grub.
Nicely done.
All right.
That officially makes the day worth it. That is awesome.
That's not a baddie. These are
Nice. Pounder.
All right. There it is, little creek smallie.
Nicely done.
He was hanging out there in that flowing water right behind that rock. Oh, that was a terrible release. There he goes. Oh. Hey, buddy, that's not where you want to be. If you would just relax, I would have released you really gently. Tom, you got it? Nice. Boom!
You are on the small jaw tear right now.
No, he's smaller. He's a small one. What do we got here? Oh, that's a tiny, tiny creek.
White grub fire.
Just a little one. All right.
Well done. Man, that one time I went in there, it seemed promising because oh, there we go. We got like a
Sunny?
a 2 and a something else, a little green sunny. Another green sunny.
Yeah, but I still have a pass here.
Oh, there we go.
Hell yeah.
Finally, a
That's got it,
smallmouth.
All right.
Checked it off. I feel complete now.
A little more action.
There we go. First smallie. Coyote.
Nice.
Oh, that's my first wild coyote I've ever seen. Dude. Wow. We got a big old buck. Oh my God, look at them all.
What's this clearing?
With a big buck standing guard.
See 'em. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them.
Look at them all. There's 20 of them.
It's a herd.
Nice. It's a healthy green sunny.
Is that the railroad track you think we should go back on?
Oh, something came up and got that.
Nice.
Right on the top, little guy. He's aggressive. Didn't even get it in his mouth. Oh, hey, we're doubled up.
Green sunny.
Our first double up.
Is that a long hair? That's a green sunny, yeah. There we go. Oh, they're like little brothers and sisters. It's adorbs.
Nice.
Nice little creek smallie.
It's a number 4 for you, right?
A lot stronger. I think so. A lot
Nice
stronger than he
looking.
looks. A nice little thump there.
There you go.
Oh, that's the healthiest.
That's a fat green sunfish.
Hear that fresh water coming in.
Yep. Looks like maybe a couple of them down there, or maybe that's just that a waterfall. Well, that's not what we were expecting. It's on the green sunny. No way. No way. No! Oh, he hit the rock ledge and unhooked himself. Oh, no! No! That was a beast! Man. Let me just explain what happened. I pitched the first cast into the warm water discharge, hooked him, he took off, and I am standing on this rock shelf here. He literally did a headbutt into the rock ledge and unhooked himself. Ugh. Oh well, keep fishing, you gotta keep fishing. There's another one, not as big. You gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Two decent smallies back to back just decide to unhook them. Oh man. Frustration. Well, this is the spot we were trying to make it to before we hit the railroad tracks. It produced. I mean, there was 2 really great bites. I just couldn't capitalize, and that's not good. Definitely a spot I'll come back and try again. It's just the way it goes sometimes. Oh well. All right.
It is
Golf
humid.
course pond, end of the night, bonus bass coverage. Let's see if we can get some. Wow, that is a chunky bluegill. Well, that's a pumpkin seed. Ooh. That is a pumpkin seed. Look at that. Well, guys, it's been a fun mission. We lost a few, we caught a few. It's been a blast. First time fishing with this guy over here. His channel,
Not the last.
definitely not the last. His channel will be linked below. It's Cincy Fish Dudes. You guys will see it right here. Awesome channel. Check that out. Definitely good content. Good, great local fishermen. I will see you guys on the next Fishin' Mission.